How to change chat settings on Roblox. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to quickly go ahead down to Roblox and discuss on how you can change your chat settings in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, doing this is extremely easy. What you're going to be doing is you are simply going to go over to your main Roblox dashboard and click on the settings in the top right section. Now, once you click on this, you're going to go over to the settings tab. And once we're over here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take yourself over to the privacy and content maturity section. Now, over here, to change your chat settings, you're going to go over to communication. And in communication, you can change all three of these chats. So, first of all, let's go over to experience chat. Now, here it says chat with other users in the same experience server. When you restrict one of these settings, other related settings may also be restricted. So, we have experience chat. So basically, first of all, there's an experience server where you have a whole group of chatters. Okay. It can be a proper room where tons and tons of your friends or maybe some other people that are on the Roblox server will be there and they will be chatting with you. So you can obviously turn on or off if you want to chat with everyone or you want to chat with no one. Okay. It depends on you on whatever setting you want to go ahead with. So if you want to chat with everyone in the experience chat, go with everyone. But if you want to, keep it on low and no chat at all, you will basically go with no one as you are. Now, then we move over to direct chat. Now, direct chat is a setting that you can't really change because direct chat is who you can one-on-one text chat with. So it depends on you on who you want to talk to. So obviously you don't have a group of people to talk to, so it logically can't be everyone. So you just go with a one by one chat. Now once you change this, you're going to move over to party. Now a party is where you can allow to chat and group up with your friends. There won't be any random people. It's going to be a proper friendly party. Now, first of all, you have the friends option. So it's basically who you can participate with in a one on one party. You can add up to two members. If set to no one, you will be unable to participate. Now, if you can participate in the parties, then definitely go ahead and change this to friends. Then we move over to group party. So it's who can add you to a party and who you can add. So you can add up to basically six members. Okay. And again, if you don't want to chat in a group party, you can go with no one. But if you do want to chat with the people you have added in your friends list, just go ahead and click on friends. Then finally, we come over to camera input, which is again a chat setting where you can use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So if you want to turn your camera on, you can simply turn it on from here. But if you don't want to do that and you're basically a privacy geek and you want to turn it off, simply go ahead and turn the setting off and you're good to go. Now your camera will not be accessed by Roblox. So yeah, that's pretty much about it when it comes to changing chat settings on Roblox. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.